Hello, in this video I want to show you how to put protection on images in SD card for Canon camera. And to do this we'll need to click on menu, then move to this page right here, and you can do that by clicking on this wheel button. First option is protect images. Now you can either select individual images, select all images. You can also unprotect all images in the folder, select all images on a card, and unprotect all images from the card. Now let's select one of the photos and click on Set. When you see this keep button, then that means this photo is protected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.